everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to all of you. So today we will do meditation on clearing our anxiety, inner blocks, all the stress, tension, and whatever chakra blockages which we are carrying within us for a long time. We'll try to clear that off in today's meditation. So let us start. I would request all of you to take 3 deep breaths. 3 गहरी सांस लें. अपने नाक से सांस को अंदर लें और मुंह से सांस को बाहर छोड़ें 3 बार. Please close your eyes and take 3 deep breaths. In from the nose and out from the mouth 3 times. So I would request you to relax your eyes, relax your forehead, relax your chin, relax your face, relax your shoulders, relax your upper body, relax your hands, relax your stomach area, relax your thighs, relax your knees, relax your legs. Just feel this relaxation in your entire body now. अपने पूरे बॉडी में इस रिलैक्सेशन को फील करें. पूरे बॉडी को खुला छोड़ दें. Just let your body fly. Just see it becoming lighter and lighter. Just feel the lightness inside you, as if you have shed all the burdens, all the negative imprints, all the blocks, all the negative emotions which you have been carrying with you since a long time. Just let it go. Just feel the lightness in your body as you let go of all the false emotions. Feel the lightness. Now I request you all to imagine that you are on top of a very beautiful mountain. आप एक बहुत बड़े पहाड़ के ऊपर हैं. Imagine करें. You see the nature around you. Just feel the nature around you. See the sun shining. See the birds chirping around you. Feel the fresh air around you. Just feel this amazing surrounding. Just in front of you, you're able to see an amazing waterfall. आपके सामने बहुत ही amazing waterfall है. And the water which is coming in is golden in color. So this is a golden waterfall in front of you. आपके सामने एक golden waterfall को feel करें. This powerful golden waterfall will heal all the traumas, all the anxieties, all the false emotions, beliefs which no longer serve you, which is taking you down, which is not allowing you to live the life of your dreams. This will clear all your chakras, all your organs, physical body, mental body, emotional body. I would invite you all to go inside this golden waterfall now. मैं आप सबको इनवाइट करूंगा कि आप इस वाटरफॉल के अंदर जाएं, इस वाटरफॉल की एनर्जी को फील करें। Slowly, 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 you are entering this waterfall, this golden waterfall, which has miraculous healing powers. इस golden waterfall में miraculous healing powers हैं. Whatever pain, whatever anxiety, whatever negativity you are carrying inside you will completely go away with its power. Just feel the water touching each and every cell of your body, each and every part of your body. इस गोल्डन वाटरफॉल को अपने बॉडी के हर एक हिस्से में फील करें। जस्ट फील द पावरफुल वाटरफॉल इन एंड आउट ऑफ योर बॉडी नाउ। All the unwanted cords of attachments, unwanted links which we are carrying since past so many decades, so many lifetimes. This powerful waterfall will release them all completely. That will make us feel lighter, lighter and lighter. Just imagine this waterfall in all the chakras, all the cells of your body, clearing away all the unwanted links which you have made in this lifetime or any previous lifetime. जाने अनजाने में हम लोगों के बहुत से लिंक्स बन जाते हैं। उसमें से काफी सारे लिंक्स ऐसे होते हैं जिसकी कोई जरूरत नहीं होती हमें और जो हमारे एनर्जी को ड्रेन करते हैं। आज हम वो सारे लिंक्स को हमेशा के लिए डिसॉल्व करेंगे इस पावरफुल वाटरफॉल के। So some of these links they drain our energy. So we will request this waterfall to release all the negative links, all the unwanted links which we are carrying inside us, in all our chakras, in all the cells of the body, so that we can feel lighter, better, more vibrant. Just feel this amazing, powerful waterfall healing your body completely. Releasing all the unwanted entities, unwanted emotions, unwanted thoughts, which no longer serve you anymore. Let this waterfall heal you completely. Just feel the golden light entering all the cells of your body, healing your chakras, healing your organs, healing your skeleton system. Just feel the miraculous healing happening inside you, deeply inside you. Invite the energy to heal all the deep-rooted issues which you have been carrying since past so many lifetimes. Just enjoy the shower. Just feel the amazing, powerful energies entering your body through this powerful golden shower, healing all the cells of your body. All the 60 trillion cells of your body are getting rejuvenated, getting healed completely. This powerful golden shower. Feel the warm water. Feel it deeply in your system. This water is very, very soothing. इस ल्यूक वार्म वाटर को आप फील करें अपने अंदर, ये बॉडी के हर एक सेल को हील करते हुए, हर एक ब्लॉकेज को रिलीज करते हुए। आपको अंदर से बहुत सूदिंग लग रहा है। feeling very, very calm inside you. You're getting healed from the deepest level possible. I would request you all to release all the false emotions like ego, jealousy, anger, hatred, which we have been carrying inside us such a long, long time. Just release as much as possible. Just let go as much as possible. Just feel this powerful waterfall healing you deeply. इस waterfall को deeply feel करें अपने अंदर. इस energy को deeply feel करें आपका healing करते हुए. You're dancing in the waterfall, you're singing in the waterfall. Feel the happy emotions inside you as you let go of all the negativities, all the blockages. Feel the happiness. अपने अंदर इस खुशी को feel करें. आपके अंदर से बहुत सारे blockages, deep blockages हमेशा के लिए dissolve हो गए इस waterfall के अंदर. इस lightness को feel करें. Just feel the lightness and happiness that you have been bestowed upon as you clear all the wrong beliefs, all the negative beliefs. Let the healing happen as much as possible. Please repeat with me. I allow great energies to heal my body now. I allow great energies to heal my body now. I allow great energies to heal my body now. I allow great energies to heal my body now. I allow great energies to heal my body now. I allow great energies to heal my body now. I allow great energies to heal my body now. I allow great energies to heal my body now. I allow great energies to heal my body now. Just feel the clearing inside you. Just feel the happiness inside you. इस waterfall की energy को अपने अंदर feel करें. See it entering your crown chakra. आपके crown chakra में इस energy को जाते हुए महसूस करें. See the crown chakra getting healed, getting cleansed completely. See all the blockages getting dissolved in this powerful golden waterfall from your crown chakra, which is on top of your head. Go a little down to your third eye chakra. Third eye is at the center of your eyebrows. आपके third eye chakra में इस waterfall की energy को feel करें. And imagine this powerful waterfall is healing away all the blocks to your foresight, your third eye. Just feel the clearing happening inside your third eye. Deep clearing happening right now. Just feel this waterfall in your nose, eyes, ears, mouth. Is clearing all the blockages in your smell, hearing, taste, touch, and sight. Just let the clearing happen. This powerful waterfall is going down to your throat chakra. आपके throat chakra में इस waterfall को feel करें. Just going down and healing your throat chakra completely. All the blocks to your throat chakra are getting dissolved completely. Feel this powerful waterfall in your heart chakra now. आपके heart chakra में इस waterfall को imagine करें. All the blocks to happiness are getting dissolved completely. Just imagine the clearing happening in your heart chakra. Deeply feel it. Deeply sense it. It is clearing away all the anger, all the jealousy, all the negativity, all the hatred, all the resentment which we have been carrying inside us, knowingly or unknowingly. Just let your heart chakra heal itself for your highest and best good. Go down to your solar plexus chakra and imagine all the past life blocks, all the entities, elementals, thought forms, thought patterns, which we no longer need, are getting healed, getting dissolved with this powerful golden waterfall. Imagine this waterfall on your stomach area, on your stomach chakra, and imagine all the organs in your stomach are getting healed completely. आपके stomach के सारे organs deeply heal होते हुए imagine करें. All the organs are working perfectly well for your highest and best good. Just see all the blockages going away. Imagine it going down to your lower chakras. आपके lower chakras में इस waterfall की energy को feel करें. Just imagine all the blocks in your lower chakras are getting dissolved, which is making you more vital, more strong, more powerful, more healthy. Just imagine this powerful waterfall entering your thighs. अपने thighs में इस waterfall को feel करें. Just imagine your thighs are getting stronger. All the veins, all the muscles are getting stronger in your thighs. Imagine this golden waterfall going down to your knees, to your ankles. Any pain which you have in your knees, your ankles, your legs, all the pain, all the energy of this pain are getting dissolved in this powerful golden waterfall. Just feel so much of lightness in those areas. You're gaining back all the strength in your knees, in your legs, in your feet. This powerful golden waterfall is healing away all the blocks, all the pain points, all the stuck traumas from each and every cell of your body now. Just imagine your aura getting strengthened. Just imagine your bones getting strengthened. आपके सारे bones को strong होते हुए imagine करें. ये waterfall की energy सारे blocks को dissolve करते हुए imagine करें. This is healing all the physical organs. This is healing your subconscious mind, conscious mind, unconscious mind, and superconscious mind. Just imagine the healing happening deep down inside you. Just feel the bliss in your entire body, in your mind, body, and soul at the same time, as you release all the unwanted things and you attract all the positivity from the universe from now on. Now I would request you all to come out of the waterfall. इस waterfall से बाहर आ जाए. And as you come out of the waterfall, just put your hands in folding pose, in a prayer pose, and imagine that all the positive energies from the universe are coming to you from all the corners. अपने हाथ जोड़ लें और इमेजिन करें कि पूरी दुनिया से, पूरे विश्व से, पूरे यूनिवर्स से, पूरे ब्रह्मांड से जो भी पॉजिटिव एनर्जीज हैं वो आपकी तरफ आते हुए. Just feel that coming in your life, making your life beautiful, amazing, fantastic. Great opportunities are coming to you now. Great people are coming to you now. Great health is coming to you now. Great prosperity is coming to you now. Great relationships are coming to you now. Just accept those energies from your heart. Please repeat with me. I accept and I thank you. 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 Just feel all the energies inside you now. Feel the power inside you now. Feel how powerful you are now. अपने अंदर इस पावर को फील करें, इस शक्ति को फील करें. You can carry this power with you now forever. It is all installed inside you now. Whenever you want to regain this power, you can come in this waterfall, clear it off, and then again regain this power through your prayers. I would request you to thank the universe for giving this amazing, amazing healing energies to you today. Slowly, 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 I would request you all to come back to your bodies. Feel your bodies. Tap your face. Tap your chin, tap your shoulders, tap your hands, tap your upper body, tap your stomach area, tap your thighs, tap your legs, ankles, tap your whole body. And as you're ready, you can open your eyes with a big, big smile. Thank you, everybody.